Get statistics for each group, such as count, mean, etc., using pandasgroupby. I have a data frame df and I use several columns from it to groupby. In the above way I almost get the table, data frame, that I need. What is missing is an additional column that contains number of rows in each group. In other words, I have mean, but I also would like to know how many number were used to get these means. For example, in the first group, there are 8 values and in the second one 10 and so on. In short, how do I get group-wise statistics for a data frame?
On GroupBy object, the add function can take a list to apply several aggregation methods at once. This should give you the result you need.
Quick answer. The simplest way to get row counts per group is by calling .size, which returns a series. Usually you want this result as a data frame, instead of a series, so you can do. If you want to find out how to calculate the row counts and other statistics for each group, continue reading below. Detailed example. Consider the following example data frame. First, let's use .size to get the row counts. Then let's use .size.reset_index_name equals counts to get the row counts. Including results for more statistics. When you want to calculate statistics on group data, it usually looks like this. The result above is a little annoying to deal with because of the nested column labels, and also because row counts are on a per column basis. To gain more control over the output, I usually split the statistics into individual aggregations that I then combine using join. It looks like this. Footnotes. The code used to generate the test data is shown below. Disclaimer. If some of the columns that you are aggregating have null values, then you really want to be looking at the group row counts as an independent aggregation for each column. Otherwise you may be misled as to how many records are actually being used to calculate things like the mean, because pandas will drop NaN entries in the mean calculation without telling you about it.
Swiss Army knife, groupby.describe. Returns count, mean, STD, and other useful statistics per group. To get specific statistics, just select them. Note, if you only need to compute one or two stats, then it might be faster to use GroupBy.add and just compute those columns, otherwise IO are performing wasteful computation. Describe works for multiple columns. Change C to C or remove it altogether and see what happens. The result is a multi-indexed column to dataframe. You also get different statistics for string data. Here's an example. For more information, see the documentation. Pandas is greater than or equal to 1.1, dataframe.value_counts. This is available from pandas 1.1 if you just want to capture the size of every group. This cuts out the GroupBy and is faster. Minimal example. Other statistical analysis tools. If you didn't find what you were looking for above, the user guide has a comprehensive listing of supported statistical analysis, correlation, and regression tools.
To get multiple stats, collapse the index, and retain column names. Produces.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.